Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to find your Facebook Messenger link to share with people. In order to do so, what you want is up at the top left hand corner, you're going to click the icon with the three lines on it. And once you do, then you're going to select the settings icon. Once you select the settings icon, up at the top right hand corner, you're going to see this icon with 4 squares in it. Kind of looks like a 4-leaf clover. We're going to go ahead and click that. And then from here you can share your QR code, or if you just click share at the bottom, then you can see there that you can now copy the URL and you can send that to whoever you need to. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.